Get ready for a story that's straight from the big top. A lion tamer by the name of Ted worked with a lion that would bite off your head. Into the cage he'd go, unarmed, but never a hair of his head was harmed. You know why? He made Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid, real great.
We want Kool-Aid, can't wait.
Kool-Aid, the refreshing drink in an envelope, America's favorite. Pick your flavor from 9 different sorts. 5-cent Kool-Aid makes 2 quarts. No, that lion would never eat old Ted, 'cause he wants something else instead. And you know what? Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid, real great.
You love Kool-Aid, don't wait.
America's favorite drink in an envelope, Kool-Aid.
No, sirree, George, you'll never get me up in one of those contraptions.
Why don't you live modern? Smoke an L&M.
Get more fun out of life, more flavor out of smoking. Free up, freshen up your taste. Smoke modern L&M. Enjoy full, exciting flavor, plus the pure white miracle tip. L&M draws easier, tastes richer, smokes cleaner. And only when you smoke modern L&M are you free to pick the pack that suits you best. Now get L&M in the new crush-proof box or the handy L&M pack, king and regular. Whichever you choose, remember, it's the full, exciting flavor that makes L&M America's fastest-growing cigarette.
Smoke an L&M.
What's in the can?
Cleaner, man.
Why put cleaner on that moving van?
I'm a paste wax man, and these are facts. Gotta put on cleaner before you wax.
Man, you're square. Where have you been? J-Wax has the cleaner built in.
New from Johnson's Wax. J-Wax has just what paste wax needed, a built-in cleaner. So don't clean for hours before you wax. J-Wax does the cleaning work for you. Lets you start right in waxing.
As you rub J-Wax on, dirt and grime disappear. Then J-Wax sets smooth and hard as you buff. There. See how that water beads? That's real paste wax protection.
J-Wax puts on more wax than other one-step waxes, gives more all-weather protection. So for faster, easier paste waxing, get J-Wax.
In the key-opening can.
Out in the garden, the native bugs were restless. My garden was going to the bugs. Meanwhile, back in the house, their friends were having a ball. There was only one thing to do. I called for raid.
Raid! Raid! Raid!
Yes, Raid, new from Johnson's Wax. First bug killer for both house and garden. Raid hunts bugs down like radar and kills them dead. Yes, Raid kills flies, mosquitoes, roaches, ants, all kinds of bugs indoors. Outdoors, Raid House and Garden Bug Killer kills insects that attack flowering plants, evergreens, vegetables. So why buy several different bug killers? Get Raid House and Garden Bug Killer. Raid smells good to everyone but bugs.
Crystal clear.
Yes, the difference in new White Rain is clear. The first and only crystal clear liquid shampoo. That's why new crystal clear White Rain rinses twice as clean as any other leading shampoo. Leaves your hair crystal clean, as fresh as a lovely summer day. Yes, the difference in White Rain is clear. It's new, pure, no artificial coloring, no thick, hard-to-rinse oils, yet so rich, sparkling with millions of tiny crystal bright bubbles. No wonder it rinses twice as clean, leaves hair as fresh, as bright, as lively as sea spray, yet so soft, so silky, so crystal clean. Get new Crystal Clear White Rain.
The difference is clear.
Dear sir, or madam, as the case may be, our sponsor, New Liquid Chiffon, has imparted a startling intelligence to it. Some people are not using New Liquid Chiffon, the new dishwashing detergent that makes even dried egg yolk disappear in seconds. Since egg yolk is so hard to remove, we make a special point of it. May I tell you all the marvels of New Liquid Chiffon? It cleans up all the hard job dishes, whether it's lipstick smears or even frying pan crusts. Dishes shine. Furthermore, by absorbing grease, chiffon suds stay so clean that the last pan sparkles just like the first glass. Chiffon is formulated to be extra easy on hands, gentle as its name. Now that you know, isn't it time you caught on to New Liquid Chiffon?
In summer, this house stays nice and warm, with never a draft or a chill. But winter brings shivers with every new storm, and a terribly big fuel bill.
Well, that's a problem. Let's let Wesix take over. With modern baseboard panels in the living room, wall furnaces for the bedrooms, forced air heaters for the kitchen, sparkling nickel units for the bath, and handsome portable heaters wherever you want extra warmth in a hurry. This house becomes a really comfortable home, no matter how cold the weather. And the 100% efficiency of Wesix electric heating guarantees economy. Now you can forget about winter storms. There's never a change in the weather with Wesix wired heat. Learn all the facts about modern electric heating.
Hey there, call your Wesix wired heat dealer tomorrow.